We spent a week in beautiful Tetebatu, Lombok, immersing ourselves and getting lost in nature, spending time with the coolest people, as well as enjoying great music. But on this video, we'll show you a bit of Lombok staple food and how to make them. You will encounter what we're about to make in this video everywhere in Tetebatu.
Aku gugup.
Oh, and make sure you stick to the end of this video to see our reaction in eating more Indonesian food. Okay, now to the vlog. So we are now in a local warung called Octavia Warung, and we are going to cook some of the local food here. We came here last night and it was just so delicious. We asked for the recipes and they're like, just come tomorrow and we'll learn. It's lunchtime now, we're hungry, and we're gonna learn how to cook some local food.
It will be tempe goreng. That's the one that is really one of my favorites since yesterday. And I have a kari ayam. And you will have urap-urap,
Yeah,
which is
very local here.
Ini adalah makanan tradisional. Nice.
Kamu benar.
Benar.
Ibu namanya siapa, Bu?
Ibu Indra.
Ibu Indra.
Indra.
Iya.
Kalau Bapak namanya siapa?
Suryani.
Surya Edi. Octavia itu namanya siapa?
Anak.
Oh.
Yang kecil.
Yang kecil.
Yang kecil. The little one. Nice. So this is tempe.
Tempe.
Jadi tempe goreng.
Tempe crispy.
Tempe crispy.
Iya.
Very thin slices. What a slice? Oh, sheesh. Pakai main.
Ya.
Okay. Oh, I'm nervous.
Nice. Well, you're doing it. It's thin.
Ya.
Yeah.
Oke.
She's excited about the skill. Wow, look at that. Coba bikin yang lain. Oh, darn it.
Ya, nggak apa-apa.
Oh no. I give up.
Kalau mbaknya santai-santai.
Kita malas yang pakai yang apa, yang dari kaset itu kan?
Yeah, yeah.
Lebih enak kalau kita buat sendiri.
So this is going to be used for the coconut milk, or the santan. It's all very raw.
Nice. Coba kelapa tua. Old coconut. What?
Nice. Did you buy this thing?
I can eat everything? Bisa makan
Bisa
semua?
ya.
Makan semua.
Oh wow. Thank you.
I love it. Good coconut.
Mau coba? Gini. Kayak gini. Lurus.
This is Lombok chili.
Oh yeah.
Spicy?
Very spicy.
Kalau makan ini kayak gini
Bisa tapi pedas.
Aku gugup. Supposed to be one of the spiciest chilies, so it's just in Lombok, not the tourist version. Oof.
No. Oh no.
No problem.
What? Really? Hi.
Jangan sampai sakit perut dah.
That can really hurt your tummy.
Nanti dapatkan teh pali.
It's not that.
What?
It's burning, yeah. It's sweating. No problem.
Don't touch your face.
Ya. Wash your hand. Wash ya.
Bukan sebelah.
Ketumbar, lada putih ya. Ada kunyit,
Kunyit.
lengkuas, ada kemiri, garam,
Still recovering from the chili. I feel like the burning is going away now, but I feel this will be in the stomach. I will feel it at least 2 times.
These are urap-urap ingredients. Water spinach, buncis, wortel, carrots, tomatoes,
toge.
toge, yeah.
You know toge?
Bean sprouts.
Nice. Almost deep fried.
We're now cooking the curry paste.
Ada daun dukut namanya.
Ini daun dukut,
Daun talam.
daun talam. Sekarang kita lagi campur semua rempah-rempah dan bumbu-bumbunya pakai santan. Langsung diparut dan dijadiin santan. Jadi semuanya segar.
Kentang goreng sama ayam goreng.
Baunya enak. Baunya enak. Oh, I can't wait.
A lot of greens.
Oh yeah, meat and beans.
Oh yeah, beans. Those are beans.
Today is a good day. So here you will see. This is vegetable. Makanan Lombok.
These are the vegetables that are boiled for urap-urap. Yeah.
Bam.
Can't wait to eat this.
Damn, yeah. That is the tempe crispy.
You should.
That's some deep fried.
Kalau makanan favorit ibu apa?
Apa? Semuanya favorit.
Semuanya ya.
Kamu makan ini juga?
Makan.
Huh?
Tapi nggak tiap hari lah.
Learning to cook Indonesian Lombok food. That's so great. Damn. I love this, guys. I love this. Aku senang banget.
2016.
So this process is called the urap.
Di urap.
Yeah. So I am urapping. This is why it's called urap-urap because like the process. Ooh, that's hot. The process is like called the urap. Urap. It's just really hot on my fingers.
Saya?
Nggak apa-apa bu.
Oh ya.
Aku bisa bertahan.
Ya.
Let's see.
Is it not hot for you?
It's warm. Like if you just like touch it quickly, you know, like move and like leave it again. Like if I would hold it, then I would burn my fingers because it's.
Terus ditaruh di sini.
Right.
Yeah, taruh di sini. Put it there. Taruh di sini.
Coba dulu.
Coba dulu.
Really nice. Ooh, that's a lot.
Designed by me, Patrick.
Okay, Patrick. That looks good. This is high quality right here.
Touch every food in my hand.
That's the way.
Nice. I'm really happy with this.
So here we have tempe crispy, our rice, urap-urap, tempe crispy sauce, and chicken curry.
Damn, guys. I hope you're having a good food with you while you're watching it, so I don't have to feel bad that I'm eating this now. Damn, this is.
Lombok.
Oh my god, this is one of the best chicken curries I ever had.
This is a really good mixed vegetable, and it's very healthy as well. Yeah.
For the tempeh, they use this soy chili sauce.
Yeah. Lombok Don't disappoint with food.
Ini enak. Kalau kamu mau pergi ke Lombok, aku rekomendasi tempat ini.
Warung Octavia.
Warung Octavia. Ngomong-ngomong, kalau suka kontennya,
Tekan tombol like. Dan kalau sudah, mungkin subscribe channel ini.
makan-makan.
Makan.
Harus lebih sering bicara bahasa Indonesia.
I'm so proud of you.
Integrated. After eating in the restaurant today, now we decided to get some really special, really traditional Indonesian food to round the whole evening up. Malam ini mau makan mie bakso sama ayam dan ceker. I don't know the feet of the chicken. I always see it, so let's see how the taste will be tonight. So let's start with the foot right away. Jadi mau coba daging ini. Terima kasih. Well, what do you do with the?
I don't know. Oh yeah, here, yep. Put the bone there.
That's where the bone goes.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's not a very strong taste. If it wasn't foot, I wouldn't know. It's just like, you know, it's a weird feeling because it looks like a foot, you know, like a chicken's feet. I mean, it is a chicken feet. You guys like this chicken feet ceker? Because, I mean, I get it. It's nice, it's interesting. Many people know they don't want to try this, but actually it's cool to just try, you know, other things. Even if you think like, okay, what's that, you know? Just go and try it. Nothing better than a good bakso.
The taste is okay. It's not gross.
And I have to say the bakso is really good.
Don't you want to use
Yeah, exactly. Just
sambal?
I was just about to say just one thing. It is not spicy enough.
Damn, Patrick. Damn, it's all red.
That's my jam. Aku boleh yang bisa makan pedas.
Emang nggak banyak bule yang bisa makan pedas?
Ada beberapa orang yang suka pedas di Jerman.
Oke. Ya pastilah.
Mamaku suka pedas.
Minta apanya, Bu? Videonya. She wants a video of us. Enak banget, Bu, makanannya.
Bakso ini enak banget, enak banget.
Ya. Sambelnya juga oke. Cekernya nggak biasa makan ceker, tapi enak.
Balik besar. Now I'm very full, so thank you guys for watching this time again. Terima kasih buat lihat video ini. Like the video, subscribe, follow our channel. Great Trying to Travel on Instagram.
For more updates.
For more updates, day-to-day updates, and never miss out on a video then. Because they inform everybody in our stories.
Or else.
Chicken feet. Couldn't tell. Checker. Okay, bye-bye guys.
Bye.
See you. Selamat malam.